Hello again and welcome to my YouTube channel. So again, a new exercise using part design. In this occasion, we have an isometric view with the key dimensions. So for this geometry, I will not generate a 2D because we have everything that we need here in this image. One of the dimensions is a bit hidden here on the top, but I will let you know what is the value. So let's start with the main cylinder. So this geometry is a simple one, but it has some tricky area, and I will show you which one it is. So first of all, as we have said, let's start with the main cylinder. Let's put the dimensions. So internally we have diameter 18 and externally 28. Okay, fantastic. Now let's exit. Let's make it 35 millimeters. So let's make it symmetric. So it will be 17.5 mirror extended. So we keep the coordinate system in the middle, which will help a lot to do this reinforcement. So now let's gonna make this top cylinder. So will be again two circles, and here we have a 15 millimeters diameter, and here just a 9. And we have from this point till the axis of this top cylinder, we have 26. Okay, we can exit from here. And now this one is 7, 5, and 7. So 14 will be 19 millimeters. Let's make it again mirror extending 19, so it will be 9.5. Okay, so now we need to do the reinforcement. So here in this area, if I try to do a sketch from this view and try to do the path in that direction, I will lose material because imagine that if you have a point here going in that direction, it will go straight. And as this is with a curvature, you will not be able to fill this material. So the preferred route that I always use when I have this kind of geometries is, in this case, I'm going to create uh, an offset plane. Let's expand also the tree so you can see the operation that we are using there. Let's make it more or less in the middle, at some point there. That's fine. Now let's use this as our support for the sketch that we are going to do. So in this case, yeah, our reinforcement will be, let's make a rectangular shape. Let's make it center. So let's use symmetry. Symmetry. Yeah, we have total thickness is going to be 5 millimeters. Uh, it's 5 millimeters. Perfect. We need to add also symmetry in this direction, just to be sure that the rectangle is center. Symmetry. And now this length is going to be the same as the top cylinder, so we can add here 19 millimeters. Okay, and now we can exit from here. Now, if we do a path and first limit, we will use up to next, and second limit up to next as well. And as you can see, the geometry is filling this gap between the curvature and the straight line, and also here they are completely integrated. So now we just need to do the reinforcement on this side. So for this, I'm going to add sketch here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to project this geometry just project it. Okay. And also, let's see if I can do an intersection with this one. Yeah, that's much better. So I don't need this line. This one, I don't need it. Oops, neither. But yeah, if I remove it, I remove the top one, which is needed. So this is what I need. Now I can use quick trim just to trim this portion. And I can make this construction as well. And now I just need to go perpendicular to screen again and create a line between this point and this top circle. Be sure that this line is tangent here. Just with a constraint of tangency. Okay, we are there. And now let's remove this portion and make this non-construction. And also this one, let me just mark this one. It's non-construction, and this is our closed sketch that we are going to use to create the stiffener. Okay, something wrong has happened here with this portion. Okay, it was. And now you are going to see what is going to be the problem here. So now if I do here 2.5 mirror extended preview, you see that here we don't have material because as I have mentioned previously, if we are in a straight line as we have here a curvature, the gap is going to grow. So here we are going to use a different trick, and instead using this line, which I'm going to turn into construction mode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down slightly, straight and up again. So what I need to be sure here is that I always have material. So I'm going to put here 2 millimeters, and now we can exit, and you see that now we have filled with material that gap there. So on the top we are tangent, and here we have this kind of geometry. So as I have said at the beginning, not a difficult geometry, but just a couple of points where you need to be focused and understand the tricks. Yeah, this is something that is important to know, mainly when you are doing stiffness against cylindrical surfaces. So I hope that you have enjoyed this new exercise using PartDesign within 3DExperience. Again, any comment, any doubt, or suggestions for future videos are more than welcome within the comments. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, now it's time to push the subscribe button and be so that you have all the notifications active so you don't miss any future video tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.